guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about some random stuff that I've been currently loving and obsessing over, and you can call these as my October favorites. So yes, let's get started. Also, if you're new to this channel and watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe and let's start. I'll start off with a food item that I have, and I've been currently obsessing over this David of Rich Aroma instant coffee. I've been using this particular brand from last 3-4 years, and this is so good and so aromatic. If you like Arabica beans with some fruity and spicy notes, then this is for you. And this is so good, so aromatic, and I super like this. So if you are not a coffee lover, I do not recommend this because you might get addicted. But if you're someone who likes coffee, then highly recommend you to try this one. This is so good. Moving ahead, I have this chia seeds from this brand Desano. I'll be making a detailed review on this one maybe in the next video, but just to let you know, I have been enjoying this a lot, and I have been using this from 4-5 months last, and I randomly found this on like Amazon, and this is so good, very good quality, does not taste bitter, which I really like because usually chia seeds tend to taste bitter if it's not good quality. This is genuinely good, and this retails for 300 rupees for this huge quantity, and I super like this. So highly recommend this. In case if you're looking for a good chia seed, then try this one out. Moving ahead, I have two body lotions from Mamaearth. So the first one is the Upton body lotion, and the second one is the Cocoa body lotion. Now these body lotions are very hydrating, nourishing. It does not dry out my skin throughout the day or feel sticky on the skin, but it's very hydrating. I use it on my damp skin, and it just stays for there at least 7 to 8 hours. I do not reapply until I wash my hands or legs off again, and this is very hydrating. This has some amazing ingredients like triglycerides, shea butter, coconut butter. This also has glycerine emulsifying wax, and also contains vitamin E, and they have used certified allergen free fragrance. So in case if you wish to try any affordable like body lotion, I highly recommend this to you. This retails for 399 rupees. You can also use my code for extra 20% discount. Mamaearth is also available on a lot of websites, which I'm going to mention on this screen. And Mamaearth is also plastic positive as a brand, and also whenever you order from Mamaearth, they are going to plant a tree or link to your order number and give you the geolocation and exact breed of the plant. And you can also download their app for early access and loss of discount. Also, the ingredients used in these are completely safe, and I've been really enjoying this. This is so hydrating and works really great for me. So even if you're dry or a very oily skin type, you can definitely try this because it has this consistency where it does not feel sticky on the skin, and I have been really enjoying this. So I'm going to leave all the links in the description box for you to check, and yeah, I really enjoyed this. Next thing is something that I don't use. This is for my mom. So I bought this Mangal Sutra, and this is such a pretty like painted kind of design, and I got this from Myntra. In case if you're married, then I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And this is so pretty. It looks so good, like just like gold, and the quality is really good. It's so comfortable, and yeah, this is so good. So I thought, why not share it, because any one of you might need a good Mangal Sutra. So yeah, this is so pretty. And in case if you're looking for a reference, if you want to make custom made it, then this is also really nice design. So yeah, this is really good. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. The color did not fade away, so yeah, this is really good. And yeah, last and the most favorite like product from this entire video is going to be this bag. So I got this bag from Aldo, and this is so comfortable, looks so good. I love the color. It also was available in black, but I have a lot of black bags, so I wanted to go for a different color for a change, because I have everything in black. Black is like my favorite color. So yeah, this is like this beige kind of color, and it carries a lot of stuff and comes with this cute coin purse. Actually, I would say this is a replica of the Prada bag, but since I cannot afford it, it's so expensive. But yeah, this is so good. I got this for 7,000, I remember. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box in case if you wish to check this out. And this is so good. I have been really loving this. And I also got one like handbag, like a wallet if you call it, and this is also from Aldo, and so good. Like I love the color, and it carries a lot of stuff like my cards, and you can also keep something like cash and all that. And this was also for 2,000 or something, which is so expensive for this huge like bag. And this is not very huge, you know, it looks really, but the quality is so good, you know, it's very good, and love this color. So I'm going to leave all the links in case if you wish to try it. It's so minimal and looks very classy, you know. So yeah, I've been carrying these two around everywhere these days. So yeah, this is so good. And these are few things that I've been really liking currently, and I've been using these lot lately. So and yeah, I thought it might be helpful for you, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description box, so in case if you wish to try. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this to be enjoying and helpful, and yes, I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.